Hey boys and girls, so today is March 20 and it's Friday. We're doing math, so we're going to review lesson 12/1 and lesson 12/2. This is just review, and at the end you have an exit ticket. We're not going to do lesson 3, so let me turn the camera on me so you can see me. Okay boys and girls, so we're going to review the three-dimensional shapes. So three-dimensional shapes are shapes like the rectangle prism, the pyramid, the cylinder, the sphere, cone, and cube. Now, in lesson 2, you guys did only two-dimensional shapes, and there was only two shapes that you had to focus on, and those were the circle and the triangle. Circle, triangle, okay? That was from lesson 2. So if you're working at home, you guys all have your workbook. In your workbook, you're supposed to do lesson 12/1, which was just talking about solid and flat shapes. Just solid and flat shapes. And then you had to do lesson 12.2, well, /2, where you just had to focus on the circle and the triangle. Now, we're not going to do lesson 3 like I mentioned. We're just going to focus and review on those two lessons. And then when we come back, we're going to do lesson 12/3. So, in your homework, you have to also do this, which was 12/1 for your homework, which was just talking about solid and flat shapes. And then you had to do this page, 12/2, which was just circles and triangles. So we had to find the circle and triangles. Now let's talk about your exit ticket. Your exit ticket is this. So I know a lot of you already know your shapes. So what I want you guys to focus on for your exit ticket is this is the solid shape and flat shape hunt. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna go over this right now. This is your exit ticket. So please circle the flat shapes with a blue crayon or any color that you have. Just use two different colors at home. And circle the solid shapes with a red crayon. Now if you don't have a red and blue crayon, that's okay. Just find two colors that you have at home and do this, okay? So this is your exit ticket. This is just review, solid and flat shapes. Now I'm going to speak in Spanish. Solamente tienen que terminar la tarea de lección 1 y 2. Tienen que trabajar en su libro y hacer la tarea. Al último, cuando termine lección 1 y 2, no tienen que ser lección 3. Tienen que ser esto, que se está hablando de figuras que son así, solid, así como bogas, y figuras que son aplastadas, como flat. So this is what you guys have to do, okay? So flat shapes, solid shapes, okay? If you need help, you can email me. This is your exit ticket. This is from lesson 1. So if you need help, go back to lesson 1, look at the video, go back to your workbook, and you'll know. So solid shapes, boys and girls, are shapes that pop out, okay? Flat shapes are shapes that are, you can't see their side, you can't see the back or the front or the top. So for example, I'll give you a clue. This is a cube. That is a three-dimensional shape. That is a solid shape. So that one is going to be, what does it say with solid? Solid is going to be red. And then flat shapes, it's this one, the circle, which is flat because you can't see any side of it. You can't see like the figure. So that one is going to be red because, no, blue, because it's a flat shape and the solids are red. Okay, so that's your exit ticket. This is what you have to do. Okay, so then find the solid and flat shapes. Remember, solid shapes are like this, so you can see sphere, pyramid, cylinder, and cube. Go back to the videos that I sent you. Review. This is your exit ticket. So that's it for math. For math, you just had to do work in your workbook from lesson 1 and 2 and do your math homework from lesson 1 and 2, and then your exit ticket. Okay? All right, boys and girls, have a nice day.